as you've heard, I grew up in Wilmette, and one of the things that I always remember about Wilmette was being able to hear the train. And the train, you know, was always this big thing about getting on the train and going to the city and getting your pacemaker checked. No, we used to use the train to go down for Christmas, to go to the Tribune Christmas Festival and see the Marshall Field and all that stuff. And anyway, the train's always been sort of an inspiration for me. So I wrote this one song called Night Train, and I am going to do it for you right now.
Slipping from stations through the swirling steam, the sounds and emotions set my mind a dreaming, gliding through the mountains and across the moonlit plains, coming home to you. Touching down and shooting sparks, yeah, we're rolling through the dark. Whispered words and lost connections, they haunt the weary hearts. Weaving my way back home on the night train. Slipping from stations through the swirling steam, sounds and emotions, yeah, that set my mind a dreaming, gliding through the mountains and across the moonlit plains, coming home to you. Lovers smile, their whispers pass me by. Sometime I'd like to learn the secrets of these eyes, of the love that has grown and the love that has gone home alone. On the night train, on the night train, slipping from stations through the swirling steam, the sounds